Hello, welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making brown butter rice Krispie Treats. For our ingredients, we have unsalted butter, vanilla extract, marshmallows, salt, and crispy rice cereal. You want to spray a 9x13 baking pan, or you can grease it with a stick of butter. You want to melt your butter in a large stainless steel pan over medium-low heat. Continue to cook the butter, swirling it in the pan occasionally. It should become foamy and you want to continue to stir the pan until the butter develops a nutty aroma and brown bits start to form at the bottom of the pan. Once the bits are in amber in color, anywhere from 2 to 3 minutes, you want to add your vanilla, your marshmallows, and your salt to the pan. You want to reduce the heat to low and stir constantly until the marshmallows are completely melted. You want to remove from the heat. You want to add your Rice Krispie cereal and stir till the cereal is evenly coated. You want to transfer the mixture into a prepared baking pan. You want to press the mixture gently with a spoon. You want it to be firm enough to bind the mixture together. The more tightly you pack it in, the more solid the end result will be once set. You want to be a little gentle so that they stay chewy once they have set. You want to allow to cool room temperature for about an hour and cut into 12 squares before serving. we have made brown butter Rice Krispie Treats. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.